Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best abrasive cleaning stick is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can find, perfect for tackling those stubborn stains and grime that just won't budge with regular cleaning methods. In this video, we will explore its amazing cleaning power, ease of use, and various applications, helping you decide if it's the right cleaning solution for your needs. Number 5. POWERTEC 71002 Abrasive Cleaning Stick. This innovative tool is designed to extend the life of your sanding equipment. It easily removes built-up residue without damaging the sanding surface. Simply hold it against your sanding disc or belt while the sander is running. It effectively removes sawdust, pitch, gum, and glue. Made from all-natural rubber, it's built to last. Its size and shape make it perfect for most sanding jobs. Watch as it effortlessly cleans your sanding equipment, restoring them to like-new condition. Say goodbye to clogged dust and debris. It's ideal for various sanding tools and even other surfaces like skateboard grip tape or shoe soles. However, it's not suitable for plastic or conveyor feed sanders. It works best on cured or dry residue. Make sure the residue is dry before using it for optimal cleaning. What we like? It boasts a sizable and durable build, perfect for tackling most sandpaper cleaning tasks. Its ease of use ensures quick and efficient cleaning while the sander is running. If you need a heavy-duty, time-saving solution for cleaning your sanding tools, this is the one for you. What people say. Taking a quick break every so often to clean the paper with these sticks speeds up your sanding, and you end up with a higher quality end product. These bars are pretty durable as well. They don't need to use a ton of material to clean up the paper nicely, so they last for a while. It effortlessly clears out the gunk and residue that accumulates during sanding, giving a second life to my sanding belts and discs. Number 4. Rubber Eraser Cleaning Stick. It effectively removes residue from your sandpaper, extending its lifespan and saving you money. This makes it an essential tool for any woodworking project. Say goodbye to tedious sanding. Just rub it on your sandpaper and watch the dust and residue disappear. It works on sanding belts and discs. It acts like a large eraser, quickly removing debris from your sanding belts. For power sanders, simply press it against the running belt to see it clean instantly. Clean various items around your house, workshop, or garage. It works wonders on sanding belts, disc sanders, drum sanders, and even skateboard grip tape. It's perfect for cleaning skateboard grip surfaces. It revitalizes grip and extends the life of your grip tape, keeping your board performing at its best. What we like? This product's versatility shines. It cleans sanding tools, skateboards, and more. It effectively removes residue, extending the life of your sandpaper. If you're looking for a multi-purpose tool that revitalizes your abrasives, this is your best bet. What people say. A simple product but extending the life of your sanding belts, discs, etc. is essential in a small shop. I save hundreds not having to replace belts or discs that become clogged with resin, dust, acrylic dust, etc. I use this rubber eraser to clean my quilting mats. After some time of cutting fabric on quilting mats, they begin to collect fibers in the cuts from the fabric. It is difficult to get out and no manner of scrubbing and scraping will remove those fibers. But using this rubber eraser pulls those fibers out of the cuts in the mat and your mat is back to almost new condition. Makes quick work of cleaning sanding belts and discs. Great to prolong the life of your paper. Number 3. Abrasive Cleaning Eraser Stick. This innovative cleaning stick is designed to revitalize your abrasive sanding tools. It's made from high-quality natural rubber for long-lasting performance. Simply hold it against your moving abrasive belt or disc. It effortlessly removes loaded particles and debris, extending the life of your tools. This eraser stick is perfect for cleaning sanding belts, discs, drum sanders, and more. Keep your sanding tools in top condition. It's not just for sanding tools. It also cleans the rubber bottoms of shoes and skateboard grip tape, keeping them clean and performing at their best. By removing debris, it significantly increases the lifespan of your sanding tools and ensures they work more efficiently. Get the most out of your investment. Each stick measures 8 by 1.5 by 1.5 inches and is made from durable, high-quality natural rubber for long-lasting use. What we like? Made from high-quality natural rubber, it's built to last. It efficiently removes debris, maximizing the lifespan of your sanding tools. If longevity and efficient cleaning are your priorities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works as it should on my belt sander. I had to sand a previous finish off of 30 cedar boards, and the finish was really sticking to the sandpaper on my belt sander. This little gadget worked beautifully to pull all the crud out of the cracks and crevices, making the sandpaper just about brand new again. Worked great on my orbital sander pads as well. Use this rubber stick to clean sandpaper discs and sanding belts. Works great. Number 2. POWERTEC 71002 P2 Abrasive Cleaning Stick. This innovative tool is designed to extend the life of your sanding equipment. It easily removes built-up residue without damaging the sanding surface. Say goodbye to clogged sanding discs and belts. It effectively cleans away sawdust, pitch, gum, glue, and other debris. Made with durable, professional-grade natural rubber, it's built to last and tackle tough cleaning jobs. Its size makes it perfect for various sanding tools. Simply hold it against your abrasive while the sander is running. It quickly removes buildup, restoring your sanding surface to like new condition. It's ideal for various applications, including sanding belts, disc sanders, and even skateboard grip tape. It works best on cured or dry residue. Keep your sanding equipment performing at its best for longer. This cleaning stick is a must-have for any woodworking shop. What we like? Get 2 large, durable abrasive cleaning sticks for the price of 1. They're easy to use and extend the life of your sanding tools. If you need a cost-effective solution with the convenience of a 2-pack, this is the deal for you. What people say. This item definitely cleans and extends the life of your sanding pads, definitely. Just run your sander and place this on the surface and it immediately removes buildup wood dust, leaving your paper like new again. This is my second order of a sandpaper eraser. The first brand I bought worked okay, but they seem to crumble easily. I think these crumble less, so they last longer, but clean the sandpaper as effectively. Number 1. POWERTEC 71002V Abrasive Cleaning Stick. This abrasive cleaning stick is a must-have for any woodworking shop. It's designed to extend the life of your sanding tools and keep them performing at their best. Made with professional-grade natural rubber, it's built to last. The large size and durable construction make quick work of cleaning your sanding equipment. Simply hold it against your sanding abrasive while the sander is running. It effortlessly removes sawdust, pitch, gum, glue, and other residue. By removing built-up debris, it keeps your sanding discs, belts, and other equipment working like new, saving you money and time. It's great for various applications, from sanding belts and discs to even cleaning skateboard grip tape or the bottom of shoes. Always ensure the residue is cured or dry for best results. Just hold it against the abrasive while the sander is running to remove the buildup. It's that simple. What we like? Made with professional-grade rubber, it's built for durability and long-lasting performance. It effectively cleans your sanding tools, keeping them in top shape. If you value premium quality and effective cleaning, this is the one to choose. What people say. This cleans up the abrasive belt on my belt disc sander really well. Extends the life of the belt and disc. This cleans belt on my drum sander, spindle sander, and belt sander. Won't get off burnt on finish or glue that not quite set. Always have a couple around. I used to throw away belts that were clogged with resin. Now I simply clean them and continue using the same belt. I even use it on my palm sander. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.